Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful log cabin wooden house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have two steps here. After that we will go inside from here. In the first we have living area. The size of the living area is 15 feet into 7 feet in meter 4.57 into 2.13. You can see here the sofa arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and also two large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and we have a sliding door for access outdoor sitting area. The size of the outdoor sitting area is 20 feet into 4 feet in meter 6.09 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the chair and also tea table arrangement, and we have a powder room for this area. The size of the powder room is 4 feet into 3 feet in meter 1.21 into 0.91 meter. You can see here the water closet and also a ventilator for ventilation of this powder room. After that we will go inside. So we have wash basin here, and on the left side we have washroom plus water closet for common use. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet in meter 1.21 into 1.82 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So on the right side we have bedroom here. The size of the bedroom is 8 feet 6 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.59 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation of this room. On the left side we have dining area. The size of the dining area is 6 feet 2 inches into 8 feet 6 inches in meter 1.87 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the dining counter with two chairs, and we have a refrigerator arrangement. Also we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen area is 4 feet 8 inches into 5 feet 8 inches in meter 1.42 into 1.72 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, burner, and also sink, and we have two large size window for ventilation of this area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.